Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how's life? Good? Today is good life because everything is green, so I get it. Anyways, to the new guys, welcome to the cryptocurrency technical analysis channel, where we draw some lines, make some patterns, watch moving averages, figure out if price is gonna go up and down. We don't care about fundamentals on this channel, only about so I hope that's your thing. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin today. It's very interesting. It's actually happening, almost happening. Yesterday I saw some double bottoming pattern, so I'm gonna talk about that. Anyways, let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always. That's always a good thing, right? So we're gonna start with talking about 4-hourly with these moving averages. So yesterday we were talking the importance of this blue line, the 100 moving average, right? And this 200 moving average, right? So they were making some kind of triangle right over here. For a couple of days I've been saying this is gonna be it. If we break on the downside, we're gonna see like 40s levels. If we break on the upside, it's gonna go new all-time high, right? It looks like we are breaking on the upside, but we are not out of the clear, right? Because you can see here that the 100 moving average has already been broken a couple of times, 1-2 times, and now we are breaking for the third time on the upside. While the 200 moving average has been actually used as a resistance, right? And so here we only had a small breakout, but here we had the like big breakouts. So to me it just looks like psychologically that there's more positive bias on the upside, that people actually want to go on the upside and not on the downside. So yesterday, while after the video, so we had this nice bottoming pattern that I think it's very nice over here, and it was basically double bottom. You can see this clearly if you look at without the VIX. If you remove the VIX, you can see here clearly that we got very nice double bottom, actually on almost on the dollar over here between these two, right? So this was some kind of double bottom. Also, this double bottom came on this 200 moving average on the 4-hourly. So this is actually pretty decent bottoming pattern right now. So let's get bring back the VIX. And right now we are actually breaking above the 100 moving average, the blue line, but it's not yet confirmed, but it's pretty decent. It's very bullish for us. Also, we are above the 20 and 50 moving average. So right now life is good. Sun is shining, birds are singing, so all nice so far. So I've been seeing other channels, you know, talking about these head and shoulder patterns that I've been forming. There is this head and shoulder forming here, right? And people have been expecting, if this goes all the way down here, right, that this is gonna break on the downside. That actually never happened. We only just got here on this 200 moving average. So this head and shoulders pattern is out of the question. Now there's this other big head and shoulders pattern that people are talking about, and it goes from somewhere around here, right? I think this is Crypto that was the first to announce this one. And now he's expecting it to hit all the way up. But is this really head and shoulders pattern? Like, yeah, sure it is. It's not perfect, but it's pretty decent head and shoulders pattern. It's pretty decent. So this might actually work out, but I won't. And the thing with the head and shoulders, this head and shoulders pattern is this resistance line that goes on top of here. It goes something like this. Let's put it down to the VIX here. Yeah, something like this. So basically this is the line that actually you should be looking for. Doesn't matter if it's head and shoulders pattern or not, how far it's gonna go up. This is a resistance line. So that's why I'm saying, like, even though we are above this 100 moving average over here, we are still not above this resistance line. Even when we are above this resistance line, there is one very important next resistance line that has to be taken into account, and that's this one over here. Something like this, the blue line over here. That's a very important line to also be watching for. It's gonna be a resistance, so it's around 56,000, somewhere around here. You're gonna see, first of all, we're gonna get some rejection or trouble getting past this, but once this is broken, I think it's gonna go all the way up to this one over here, 56. Sorry about that. So I think there might be some kind of once we break this one, we're gonna go all the way up to the next resistance line, and there might be some either rejection or some kind of a movement here, or passing by. But anyways, however you see it, this line over here, it's an important line to watch. So that's the next resistance actually for us on the 4 hourly. You can also see that it's pretty decent resistance line, because resist several times. You can see here, let me do it like this. You see here, all of these are resistance, and then this is was a support, right? And down here it was also acting as a resistance up here. You can see it. Oh, wait, there we go. A lot of clicking. So it's a pretty decent line. I mean, yeah, sure, you can maybe adjust a little bit or something like that. It's not perfect, but we are in the ballpark over here, right? So these two lines are right now important to look for, and the moving average. So the 100 moving average is broken. We want to keep above the 100 moving average. We want to break this line over here first, around 52,000 right now. So that's around 52,000. That's the first target we want to break out. Then we continue here, it's around 55,000, something like that. But basically these two targets are the next resistance targets before we actually get out of the all-time high. Let's just look a little bit more of this. You can see that this resistance line also corresponds well with this resistance over here. So that might be, that's a 55,820. So that might be the resistance for us. So did we actually bottom out? Is this move finish on the downside? What's happening? Because if you remember, this was a falling wedge that we broke out of, right? These three over here bottoms were airside divergence. Then you had this double bottoming pattern over here that corresponds to 200 moving average. And now we are above the 100 moving average line. So all in all, I think this correction is over. Of course, things can happen, but I think the correction is over, and now we're gonna slowly start breaking these resistance line that we just showed, 52 and 55,000, and we're gonna get all-time high sooner rather than later. So right now we're just gonna follow what's gonna happen with Bitcoin right now, but it looks good. Sun is shining. Gonna be altcoin videos later today, so make sure to check it out. And now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel if you would like more Bitcoin updates. We do daily Bitcoin updates from now on. I'm gonna show you like candle by candle. You know what, I'm gonna show you one more candle. I did not show you a candle. I will show you a candle. The reason I think also this is a bottoming pattern over here is because this candle over here, when we made this double bottom over here, the double bottom, second double bottom came with this on 4 hourly engulfing bullish candle. So this was very important to me because we got back above the 50 moving average on the 4 hourly with this candle, and then we made this double pattern. So no, very important line to make. Again, subscribe to the channel if you want to get daily updates on Bitcoin, because that's important. And then if you altcoins are your thing, you know, subscribe. Also like the video, man. It helps my channel. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.